Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the feeding chuckle, in particular, how to do it when you're really struggling. A lot of YouTube videos are out there and they're all really good. They're all getting the points across, but they're all just missing a bit of information that I kind of figured out. They all tell you to say ticka, 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 or ducka, 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 decka, 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 kuhak, whatever the hell it is, just random pronunciations of things to get the tone to come out to where it sounds like something like this. I keep 2 duck calls in my truck. You guys should too. Today we're only using the 737 number 1. It's a fairly expensive duck call, and you don't need to have a nice duck call to learn how to use this. This just one is just really easy to blow. This is another good duck call. It's a Foyle's Raisin Cajun. It's out of service right now because my 2-year-old decided to eat the reed. Get comfortable with looking crazy and blowing the duck call in public while you're driving, because that is the best way to learn how to become a better duck caller, to where you can cut birds in. Now, with that in mind, what kind of my revelation was, because I couldn't figure this out. Again, 2 years of trying and failing, and this is what did it in for me. A Ford truck with the Triton motor that was leaking exhaust comes from an idle where it's going tick, 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 tick. And then he takes off, and I realized the tick is coming naturally as it's progressed. So it's not about saying tick it's about saying tick so fast that the comes out naturally. And that's literally what happened. So the truck started speeding off. He floors it to, like, I don't know, he had the RPMs way up there to take it off. And it goes tick, 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 to where it was just unintelligible. It was just pitter patter. I started saying that myself. The tick, 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 until I started being able to put that into practice. Now, when you're blowing your duck call, one of the most important things for this, besides being able to do the rolling your tongue part that took me forever to figure out, and that was what did it in for me. But the other most important part is air control. So, for this particular scenario, take your hand, place it on your chest, and take a deep breath. And then breathe out. You can tell when you're back to a normal tidal volume where you and I are talking. When you're back to that normal tidal volume, you are done calling. You are going to screw up the call. So, fill up your lungs and then practice. And we're going to start with just the tick. Now, I'm not muffling the call at all. This is just straight ticks. Now, you notice I stop whenever my hand comes back to a resting position. Now, from that point, let's go ahead and practice saying tick, 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 until you get fast at it. And it doesn't have to sound perfect. I'm not saying tick at the end. It's just like whatever the hell's coming out of my mouth, but it works. So build that up, and then pause the video, work on that for a little while, and then come back whenever you feel like you're ready to start. So grab your duck call while you're driving, sitting at home, whatever it is you're doing, and let's try to do this fast. And you can kind of manipulate your fingers, use your middle finger to pinch off, and just open and close as you're doing it. And that's what you're going to get out of it. It's not about how good of a duck caller you are unless you're wanting to perform championship duck calling. This is all about getting birds to land in your decoy spread. And I am fairly confident that you should be able to make this work. Practice in the truck, practice in the field, practice wherever the hell you need to practice. Ingredient 2 is airflow. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. But I really want to know if this is actually going to help somebody in the way that it helped me, because that was really pissing me off, and now I can do it. Thanks for watching, and hope for the best for you. I really feel your frustrations. I really do.